really cheap glue gun called, oh, you're gonna like this, He Bang. Yeah, nothing better than the He Bang glue gun. He bang, he bang. Ooh, baby, when he move, he move. Welcome back to another video, Useless Builds. We got another fun one for you, another Temu tool review video. Oh, by the way, I want to try something new. So if there's anything on Temu that you don't want to buy, put it down in the comment and tell me to buy it so I can buy it, test it out, and then I'm probably not going to want it like any of this crap, and I'll just send it to you and you can have it. Try to keep it under $100 though. I'm not trying to spend thousands of dollars on Temu. So post a link down in the comment below or just send a message, personal message me on Instagram or something. Let me know which one you want me to try for you, and I'll be glad to test out your Temu product for you. I'll probably make a video around it. I got a whole bunch of crap, bunch of automotive stuff again. If you liked the last video, I figured I'd go ahead and give you another one. The first thing we got here is a portable plastic repair hot stapler. I've actually been wanting one of these, so I think this was the most expensive one in the whole kit, and it's got the actual tool itself, and then, well, it comes with the cheesy zip tie cutters in the last video. It's the same exact ones I bought. Matter of fact, I think I have them. Yeah, here we go, right here. It's literally the same ones without the logo on it. That's actually hilarious. It even has the holes in the rubbers in the same spot. That's funny. Anyways, so it looks like it's just, try and put a set in here for you. Like that, so you fill the staple. Get the focus. So you fill the staple into the holes, and then what happens is you plug it in, you pull the trigger, it heats the staple up, it melts into the bumper, the plastic, whatever you're trying to re-weld. It's a plastic welder essentially, and holds the plastic together. I actually have my Mark 6.5 GLI. The whole front bumper is all messed up, so I'll put this to work on that and show you how it works. That's the first thing in our kit. Let me put my cheesy zip tie cutters, which now that I think about it, why would it come with zip tie cutters? So these must be to cut the metal staples, cut the tips off. I wonder if it's going to be strong enough to do that, because it is just zip tie cutters. So that's the first one. Our portable plastic repair hot stapler. All right, on to the next one. This one is a pair of suction cups. Suction cups so you can pull, you can lift glass with it. There's a little one for smaller stuff, but you pop the spring up and it pulls the suction cup in, pulling it tight, allowing you to grip whatever you want to grab with it. Let's just say I got this box here full of bolts. Works pretty good. So we might be able to pull dents out with that. Oh, now it's on there. All right. Let's see how this one works. Ooh, it's not getting a good seal on there. Oh, there we go. Oh, she lost her seal though. But you get the point. Just simple suction cups. Nothing fancy. I forget what the price is on these. I think I only spent $45 on all of this stuff. Staple thing, that was $40 by itself, so $80 into all this stuff altogether. Nothing crazy. Next thing we have, I have no idea what this is. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look and see exactly what this tool is. It's an adapter for something. I don't know. I don't know what I bought. All it says is adapter. I'll have to go look at my account and see what it was. I mean, you gotta think it's Temu stuff. I ordered it like a month ago. I was in here editing the video and I forgot to do the adapter thing that was in there. But looking at what my Temu account showed, that's actually not entirely what I ordered. That's just like a small piece of the part that I ordered. So I'm just gonna pop it up on screen here and show you what it was supposed to be. But I guess I'm gonna have to give that a big old goose egg because it wasn't even what I ordered. So thanks, Temu. It was like $2, so I'm not gonna sit there and fight over that part. just know that if you place orders for certain things, you may not actually get them. It was supposed to be like a ratchet for a jack, like a car jack, so you can actually just ratchet instead of using that stupid hand crank that spins around. But it just gave me the little metal adapter, and it didn't actually give me the ratchet that it shows in the ad. So I don't know. Oh well. Chalk it up as a big goose egg. Don't buy that part. What else we got? We have a sticker remover. This is it's a wheel. It goes on the end of a drill. It's like a rubber material, and it just spins on the drill. It's actually, this one's threaded, so you can actually put it into like a grinder.
Are you sure about that?
But it comes with the adapter if you don't have a grinder to put it on, so you can just thread the adapter on, put it in the drill, and use it to remove stickers. And I'll show you how that works. We'll just do it on my Mark IV Golf that has terrible decals all over it. So we got plenty of stuff to test that out. I apologize about my throat. I'm getting over a sickness, so if I sound funny, that's why. Good thing is you can't catch it through the camera, right? Not yet anyways. So, that's next. What else we got? We got... okay. This is the fun one. So, I got this. It's another dent remover. It's a glue dent remover. So, it comes with a really long glue stick. So, that's kind of funny, actually. It's got little knobs on the back of the plastic that then slip into this tool. And then you just yank it out. See if you can pull out a dent with that. We'll see if this works. I got some big dents. I'm going to kick into one of my parts cars out there so we can see what kind of dents we can pull out of it. And looks like we got some more glue. From what I saw, this is like panel glue. Yeah. So this is specifically for dents. The black glue, I don't know how much different it is than the clear glue, but it's specifically made for pulling dents out. So I bought a pack of that. And then I think this is the glue gun, yeah. So then we bought the space age glue gun for, you know, shooting stuff. I haven't used one of these since I was in middle school, so this will be fun. I can't wait to glue some stuff down. Comes with 3 packets of glue, a really cheap glue gun called, oh, you're gonna like this, He-Bang. Yeah. Nothing better than the He-Bang glue gun. The Hot Melt glue gun manual. Cool. Yeah. Once again with the He-Bang. 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 Ooh, baby, when he move, he move. I think it's supposed to be a girl.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Made in China. This device complies with part of 15 of the FCC rules. We'll test this out on some cars too. But that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, that's everything. I think we're good there. So, yeah, we'll test this out on some cars and see how it does. Yeah. I think the suction cups are a bust. We'll try the front fender real quick, see what it does, but I doubt it's going to work. Oh, wow. It actually pulled the dent out. I'm not even mad at that, actually. So, there's still a little dent, but it pulled the dent out of the line right there. Because this whole thing was caved in. Worked a little bit, but I mean, definitely not perfect. I think I'm making the fender worse with this one. Yeah, I don't think you're pulling out little dents like that. So, I mean, I guess for some of the bigger dents, like still one right here. See if we can get that out. Wow, it actually is. I'm surprised this is actually working as good as it is. I mean, obviously it's not getting all the dent out, but a pretty good amount of it. I guess I'll give the suction cups a 3 out of 10. I mean, it might work on a dent from a basketball, but any other kind of dent from another car, I don't think it's going to do anything. It did pull out the big one there. And then it did a little bit here, but not enough. There's one right there too. We'll see how the other tool works. Alright, so it's nice and warmed up. Get a little spot in the middle there. Give that some time to dry. Alright, so I'm going to put some on this big giant dent here too. See what we can do. Work on the bottom first. I'm not an expert dent puller, and I don't claim to be. I'm just seeing if I can pull out dents with this cheesy stuff off Temu. Might be better if I just put it on this and then stick it to where I need to. I don't know why I've been doing it the other way around. One more right here. Alright, so I'm going to leave these for a while to dry.
2 hours later.
Alright, so let's give this one a try and see what happens. Nada. Now, these aren't even sticking to it. Yeah. Bust. What a pile of garbage. And these ones are most definitely dry because I could pick it off with my finger. So, yeah, I guess this one up here we'll give a quick shot. Nothing. Don't buy it, it's junk. 0 out of 10. Waste of money. Yeah, let's give this thing a try and see what it does. I'd say that works pretty well. Cleaner. Looks like it's a little bit of an outline I gotta hit still. So the sticker remover does work. Rubber wheel, I give it a 7 out of 10. Works pretty good. Makes a bit of a mess, but I mean, it's kind of what's going to happen when you're taking off old stickers. Last thing we got left is the plastic welder. I got to pull my bumper off. We're going to see if we can repair this where it tore right here. See if we can get this all to stick back together. But we also got some cracks down here we're going to repair with the plastic welder. This is broken. I need to get a new grill for it. And I think that's broken right here as well. So we're going to try and repair this whole bumper with the plastic repair. So we got the bumper off here. We definitely have to fix this spot right here. This should be repairable. We'll see. It might be a little tough right there, but this should be fixable. Get that sealed back together. We also got to get this. This piece is supposed to be attached to the bumper. This piece inside here. There's a front lip that attaches to it, but this piece is supposed to be attached to the bumper up in there. So we're going to get that reattached. We're going to try and get all this reattached up inside of here. I got pieces here that need to be reattached. And I think that's pretty much it. Everything on this side seems to be pretty good. One little overkill with the staples. This piece was so distorted it was hard to get it to hold straight. It kept wanting to bend and bow. So I just went as many staples as I can get up in there. I mean, it seems to be pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably stronger than it was. I threw 2 here as well, just because it looked like it was about to tear there soon too. So now we're just gonna trim off these extra staples. We just cut them. I want to use 2 hands for this. It's kind of hard to film this and cut it because I don't want these all over my driveway and I don't want to pick them up in tires. So I'm gonna cut all these and get them out of the way. So I ran through and did a staple on every single one of these corner pieces all the way down through to here. And I even added 2 right in here. This thing works spectacularly. These are on there, man. You can't even tell on the front half barely that this thing's been like pulled apart at all compared to the other side. So this thing works spectacular. Definitely recommend getting one of these staple repairers. This is awesome. I'm gonna go through, cut all these off, and then we're gonna move over to this fog light piece. I found it using tape to tape everything together to hold it together makes it a little easier when I'm actually repairing it. I pulled the fog light and the fog light bracket out so I can get down in here a little bit better because this is cracked along here and here. We're going to try and repair all this and see. We get in there and do all these repairs now and see if we can get this to all hold together. We got all this patched up. Now I'm going to put the fog light bracket back on. Alright, so we got the fog light back in. This is all repaired now. All back together. I got a little spot right here I need to do. And then I need to do this spot right here. And that should be it for everything on the bumper. I'll flip it over and double check on the front once I get these 2 spots repaired. Alright, I don't see any more tears or damage on this side. So I think we're good. We got this patched up. I need to just cut the staples off. I just wanted to flip it over and look at it. It looks really good. I patched this right here. All this is all patched up. This all looks really good now. I mean, it's not great, but I mean, at least it's not all floppy and falling apart. And then we also got the edge here, which there's still a little bit of a tear in there that's noticeable, and I definitely went too deep with the staples. But I mean, at least it'll hold itself up now. And then the very last piece was just this piece. So I'm not sure what they hit prior to me buying this car, but I could care less. I'll probably find a bumper in the future, but at least I'll have a bumper on the car for the time being that doesn't look as bad as it did. But yeah, pretty good. I need to find the lower grill piece that goes across there. I guess they lost it when they crashed the car. For the staple gun, I'm gonna get, or the hot staple gun, I think I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's actually really well made. It works perfect. If you have like cheap Duraflex bumpers or OEM bumpers that you just need to do temporary repairs on, it works really well. I can't complain about it. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Or one of the 2. That's all your cheap tools from Temu. Yeah. I honestly gotta say the hot staple gun is probably the best one. The little sticker remover also wasn't that bad, but the hot glue gun and dent fixers and these, just trash. Just avoid spending your money on that. That's absolutely garbage. It's probably just going to go in the garbage. I might keep the hot glue gun just to have for something random, but staple guns definitely. These are just junk for cutting the staples. Just get you a nice pair of dikes to cut the staples. But thank you for watching the Temu tool review number 2. We'll do more in the future. Till then, I'm going to take my my Temu motorcycle out. My Chinese bike to go get me some Chinese food because I'm hungry.